At dawn, the journey of quality ingredients begins on modern free-range farms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Our commitment begins with the well-being of our animals, ensuring the highest quality from the start. Skilled hands meticulously gather fresh, high-quality pork and duck livers, essential for exceptional pâté. The journey to exquisite pâté begins as fresh ingredients arrive at our state-of-the-art facility. Skilled hands meticulously handle each crate, ensuring the integrity of every delivery. BV. The pristine receiving area awaits, ready to process the freshest ingredients. Here, skilled artisans meticulously inspect each liver, guaranteeing only the finest quality for exquisite pâté. Any liver not meeting the stringent criteria is quickly removed, upholding our commitment to unparalleled quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Each inspector combines visual acuity with a delicate touch, guaranteeing every detail meets our demanding standards. It is through the unwavering focus of our team that every ingredient attains the gold standard, setting the stage for exceptional pâté. Skilled hands carefully prepare the finest livers, a crucial first step. Each piece is meticulously prepared, ensuring exceptional quality. The foundation of our exceptional pâté is built on this careful preparation. Perfectly prepared livers advance to the next stage. Years of expertise guide every precise cut and movement. Exact measurements of nutmeg are crucial for the pâte's distinctive flavor. Allspice, a complex and warming ingredient, is next to be precisely measured. Each precisely weighed spice is transferred into a designated container, awaiting the next stage. Expert hands begin the delicate assembly, preparing ingredients for a truly exceptional culinary creation. Carefully measured fats are introduced, integral to achieving pâté's signature smooth texture. The finest cured pork fatback is added, ensuring depth of flavor and rich consistency. The massive industrial mixer whirs to life, beginning the transformation of quality ingredients. Precision is key as aromatic spices are carefully measured for the perfect blend. Fine spices are gently introduced to the pâté, infusing rich flavors. With practiced hand, rich port wine is added, deepening the complex flavor profile. Skilled hands guide the coarse mixture, ensuring precision at every step. The robust industrial grinder transforms raw ingredients, a vital step for our exquisite pâté. Through powerful machinery, the initial breakdown yields a new, coarser consistency. American craftsmanship ensures continuous flow from coarse ingredients to a smoother blend. Precision engineering ensures every detail contributes to perfect texture and taste. The coarse plate, having done its work, is carefully moved aside. The new plate is carefully aligned, ready to refine the texture. With the fine plate secured, the refinement process begins, transforming ingredients into a luxurious pâté.
A rich, finely ground pâté, exhibiting a smooth, dense, and spreadable texture.
The industrial grinder begins to refine the mixture, enhancing its texture and consistency. The pâté emerges, exhibiting a markedly smoother and more homogeneous consistency. The pate's texture is now perfectly smooth, ready for the next stage of production. The continuous flow of the refined pâte signals optimal production. Precision manufacturing begins as finely ground ingredients are prepared for transformation. Skilled hands expertly calibrate the advanced machinery, ensuring perfect processing conditions. Inside, the powerful emulsifier transforms the mixture into a silken, homogeneous blend. Advanced vacuum technology ensures every batch achieves unparalleled smoothness and density. Automated precision fills each mold, ensuring the perfect foundation for our exquisite pâté. A skilled American worker meticulously oversees the line, ensuring every fill meets the highest standards. The smooth, consistent texture of the freshly deposited pâté promises a delectable culinary experience. Human touch remains essential, with an American worker ensuring uncompromising quality control. The automated system ensures a consistent, high-volume output without compromising quality. Skilled artisans meticulously hand-finish each terrine, ensuring perfect presentation. Precision and care define each step in crafting our exquisite pâté. Every movement is a testament to the artisan's dedication and skill. The perfect sheen and uniform texture are hallmarks of our quality. Each terrine reflects the skilled touch of our dedicated team. Terrines carefully filled with rich pâté are meticulously arranged on racks for their transformation. Skilled workers then meticulously guide these racks toward the specialized steam ovens.
These look absolutely perfect, don't they?
Indeed. Let's get them cooled properly.
Inside the vast steam oven, the pâté begins a slow, gentle bain-marie cooking process. This precise, low-temperature cooking ensures the pâté develops its signature, delicate flavor and texture. Gentle heat transforms the pâte, slowly developing its rich flavor and perfect texture. Hours pass, and the precise temperature control ensures every terrine reaches perfection. Cooked pâté is carefully extracted from ovens, ready for rapid chilling. crack is swiftly transported to the blast chiller for optimal setting. Inside the blast chiller, precision cooling ensures perfect texture and freshness. A shimmering layer of clarified butter is meticulously poured, sealing in freshness and flavor. Each pâté is sealed by skilled hands, ensuring peak freshness and an elegant presentation. Through rhythmic motions, American workers ensure consistent quality across every batch. The sealed pâté are then carefully moved, ready for the next phase of their journey. The finished terrines embark on their journey down a pristine automated packaging line. Next, the terrines enter the vacuum sealing chamber, preserving freshness and quality. Automated precision ensures each product receives its distinct, elegant label. Each terrine is carefully placed, ensuring perfect presentation for its journey to customers. Final labels are applied, ensuring each package reaches its destination with perfect clarity. Ready for distribution, the finished pâté embarks on its journey to homes worldwide.